What's up everybody, Andrew here with another video. We are on our way to an apartment here in Provenza. We're just a couple of blocks away. We're gonna do the walkthrough with our contractor, Patrick, who does inspections as well in case you're buying a property out here and need that type of service. Make sure to leave a comment below and I'll give you his contact info. But let's go take a look at this apartment. There's Patrick. Patrick, what do you typically charge for a walkthrough inspection like this?
Generally speaking, we start around 150 US, 125 US to 250.
And you give like a formal report, right?
Yep, full report, pictures, photos, details on everything we can find.
Awesome. Let's go do it. All right, so as we walk in, the first thing that we see here is the open floor plan, which is great. Here you've got the kitchen. The countertop is very big. You've got a lot of space here. Looks like this is a newer, very professional stovetop. We've got storage space down there. You've got obviously the beautiful views of the city over here because this is a higher floor. This is 21st floor. And I believe that the total floors on in this apartment building are 23. This is the laundry area, which actually has a toilet here because this used to be the maid's quarters, but they tore this out and made it part of the kitchen / laundry area. This is an interesting use of the space here. Obviously, if you've got a business or something and you want to put a computer here, a desk, you can, but you can also make this as more of the living space if you don't need to put a desk here. This is the living room here. And let's take a look at this view over here. I actually like this here, this American style countertop with the bar stools. They call it American bar in Colombia when you have the bar stools next to the kitchen there on a countertop. And my favorite part, obviously, is this view. Look at this. This is amazing. We are in Provenza, by the way. This road right here is a one-way street. Sorry, it's a dead-end street. So there's no traffic at night that come in and out there. This is a major road over here that you could get to many places in the city on the back here. But over here, it's pretty quiet. You've got a lot of greenery. And a very big balcony. You could definitely put a barbecue grill out here. Let's check out the rest of this place. This is 152 square meters, which is just about 1,600 square feet, I believe. The asking price on this one is $314,000 US. This is a half bath here. And one bedroom. Very big bedroom. We've got Patrick in here doing his work on inspecting the place. Again, if you guys need his services, usually charges about 150 bucks, depending on the size of the apartment, of course. Do like this view, and this bathroom is pretty cool. Very big walk-in closet here. And a little desk area in this master one bedroom, actually. One of the things that I asked Patrick is that if this could be turned into a 2-bedroom, because there's a lot of space, as you saw. Giant walk-in closet. And he said originally these are 2 bedrooms, so it could be turned back into a 2-bedroom if you wanted it to be, or if you are a couple or a single person and just need that 1 bedroom, it would be perfect. Yeah, this thing, pretty amazing. And of course you can do Airbnb rentals here. 30-day minimums, no daily rentals. All right, we are on our way back home right now. That was an interesting property. I do love the location, the view. If you're looking to buy an apartment out here, make sure to hit me up. We are the experts down here. There's a link in the description below. Fill out the form. Somebody on our team will get back to you. We'll filter you because we want to make sure that you're just not a tire kicker and just need a real estate tour. If you do need that, we do offer that though. We can educate you. We can show you the neighborhoods. We can show you around town, etc. For a fee. But if you are a buyer and you're ready to go, you fill out that form, somebody on my team will contact you. Once you get down here to Medellin, I'll pick you up, drive you around, we'll look at properties, make offers. We'll help you through the whole process as well as far as due diligence, title research, and of course the purchase agreement and bringing money over down here. We help you throughout the whole process. Our attorney is amazing. And if you need the visa, for the investor visa, we've got that covered as well. We've helped many people do that. This year has been amazing and it's only getting better. We'll see you guys in Medellin soon, or we'll see you in the next video. Ciao. There's Patrick.